Hey everybody, I miss you guys terribly. Thank you for tuning in. I wanted to show you guys how I got this sexy brown date night look. I got the Wild Child palette, one bronzer, and all three of the lippies that came with it. So, I'm going to jump into it. You guys know I hate long tutorials. This is the shade Ground Crew. I'm going to lay that as a base. I'm gonna take Feisty and use that right on the outside, and then on the inside I'm doing kind of like a soft halo look. It's not a real defined halo, I just want it to be very pretty and blended. Next, I'm taking this really pretty bronze shade called Close Up right up the middle of the lid. Right here, I am adding lashes. It's the glitter pigment shade in the middle of the palette, and I'm going right on top of Close Up with that. In a second, you're going to see me go in with eyeshadow topper from Stila, and it's just because I wanted a little bit more of a gold glow on my lids than this. The name of this liquid eyeshadow from Stila rubbed off, and the little sticker on the bottom was gone too. I've had it for a while, but it came in one of those mini trios that they put out every now and again, and it's really pretty. That's why I wanted to add a little bit of light to my eyelids. And I just stick that on and pat it in place. The same thing that I did to the top, I'm doing to the bottom. I put on a little bit of black liner on top and then some on the bottom, and that's pretty much it for the eyeshadow look. I did wind up getting all three shades of the lippy sticks, but I decided to go with Oh Behave. I didn't do the try on for this video. I edited it out because I put it on my Instagram. So I'll leave a link to that in the description box for you guys so you can see all three shades. And that's it. My pictures do no justice for what this look really looked like. I hope you guys enjoyed my little mini tutorial. You can catch all the rest of the information for this look on my Instagram. Thank you guys for stopping by here in Park here on YouTube.